Hello, assalamu alaikum guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel How to Learn. So today once again welcome with a very fantastic app, and we will discuss a very fantastic app, that is Islamuna prayer times, Ramadan time and Quran Qibla. So I have installed this. This is very fantastic for the Ramzan, and as well as you can use, and this is also updated on 20 April 2020. So I will give the link in the description. You can go and you can download from here this as well. So I want to show you this app, Quran Kareem. So you can read the Quran Kareem by here. You can listen the Quran Kareem by here easily. You can read the Quran Kareem by here. Okay, Surah Fatiha and whatever else you want to read, you can. Okay, and if you want to recite, so you can recite by here. Okay, Surah Baqarah, every surah, every para you will get here. And other thing is that translation you can get, prayer time, Ramadan time you can get. Okay, and you can start the altar, Islamic calendar, you can check the date as well. Okay, so this is very fantastic app. Daily duas, so you can see here are the duas. Dua for sleeping, before sleeping dua. So you can recite from here, Allahumma bismillah mutawaya. This, and in the English you can recite, in the Urdu you can recite. If you belong from Arabic, you belong to the Urdu, English, whatever else, you can use this. This is very fantastic app. And an azan altar, tasbih counter, you can use the tasbih counter. You can use in this way when you will read. Okay, in this way reset you can do, and this is very fantastic. I like this app. Naat and 6 kalma can see from here. This is very fantastic. And friends, if you are not giving likes, so please do not give the dislike to someone else, because everybody is doing very work hard. So do not do such as thing. If you are not giving like, if you are not giving appreciation, so do not give that disappreciation. Okay, so Hajj and Umrah, you can see here are the bundle of things which you can use by this app. So must try it, and I am giving the link in the description. And if you want to contact me by the Facebook page, by the Twitter, so you can go to the link. Okay, by my channel you can contact to me. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.